how to fix the issue of installed app not showing their icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. So after click on home screen, scroll down and you will see lock home screen layout is here. Add new apps to home screen is here. So if you want to fix app showing, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button and click turn on add new apps to home screen. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, your problem is solved. Refresh once. So that's how you can fix the issue of installed apps not showing their icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.